गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
तेजी से बदलते हुए समय और कोरोना के संकट काल में हमारे शिक्षकों के सामने भी समय के साथ बदलाव की एक चुनौती लगती है। मुझे खुशी है कि हमारे शिक्षकों ने इस चुनौती को न केवल स्वीकार किया बल्कि उसे अवसर में बदल भी दिया है। पढ़ाई में तकनीक का ज्यादा से ज्यादा उपयोग कैसे हो, नए तरीकों को कैसे अपनाएं, छात्रों को मदद कैसे करें, ये हमारे शिक्षकों ने सहजता से अपनाया है और अपने स्टूडेंट्स को भी सिखाया है।
This pandemic has played havoc with a lot of our lives. It has not spared the teachers either. Many teachers have lost their jobs for various reasons. We at Acumen Today are working to make the teachers Atmanirbhar. And the launch of Acumen Today Atmanirbhar Teacher has already started. This is a campaign to enable, enrich and empower the teachers to be self-reliant, self-sufficient and independent. Atmanirbhar in the true sense. There are a few teachers who have already joined in the cities of Pune, Bangalore and Dharwad. They are happy and so are the students. So please join this campaign, as this has no cost, no investment needed to be an Atmanirbhar teacher. Namaste.
Losing a job as a teacher in this lockdown period and depending for every penny upon someone was not so appreciated. I sincerely thank Acumen Today for giving us an opportunity to teach online with their wonderful courses. It is not only learning, but it is a concept-based education. My students are loving it and parents are really appreciating their progress. With the help of Acumen Today, I can proudly say that I am an Atmanirbhar teacher and I am ready to make a beautiful future for my students and India.
Teaching is my passion and profession. Last 20 years I am in this profession. Due to the COVID, suddenly the school shut down and I was completely jobless. Financially it affected me very badly. A friend of mine suggested me about the course introduced by Acumen Today. It's a fantastic course of conceptual learning which is very useful for the students. I started the course with my students and now I am very happy. The kids are satisfied with the studies and the parents appreciate the efforts. Financially also, now I can say I am completely independent. So, proudly I can say I am Atmanirbhar teacher. Acumen Today made me Atmanirbhar. Join the hands with Acumen Today and be Atmanirbhar today itself. Thank you.
Acumen Today focuses on learning concepts and believe teachers are the pillars of our nation. It's time to uphold the dignity of the teacher by being Atmanirbhar. And how do we do it? Join us to know more. This is a personal invitation to all the teachers who want to be Atmanirbhar.
Hi everyone, I'm a teacher. Teaching is my passion. The COVID pandemic has brought life to a standstill across the country, reporting school closures. Because of this, many teachers are jobless and many are scrambling to find way to continue their profession. In this situation, as a teacher, I am very lucky and thankful to Acumen Today. It gives me the opportunity to continue my profession and made me Atmanirbhar. I have started course with my students introduced by Acumen Today. The course is fantastic with conceptual learning. Now I am very happy. My students' parents are very happy and satisfied. So now proudly I can say, join Acumen Today and be the part of Acumen Today family. Thank you.
Hi, myself Gauri Purani. Today I would like to tell you something about Acumen Today. Acumen Today is very good platform for all students. The books are very interesting, meaningful and simplified. They use SIMECore technology to help students encourage in learning. As a teacher, I also feel very comfortable with the books. In this corona situation, so many parents and children struggle for education of their child. Today is the best option to protect our students for online education. Parents will not worry as the kids can study in Acumen Today. Acumen Today makes me Atmanirbhar. So thanks to Acumen Today.